There was a man, a little man, who just got rejected by the love of his life because he didn't have a muscular body. Now he goes back home, no confidence, low self-esteem. And that could be you. Are you tired of walking past that mirror and thinking, man, I wish I had more confidence. Man, I wish I had my dream body. Well, guess what? With this product right here, Boom Boom Pow Juice, this will help you fix that. Now, what this product has 1,000 enzymes. With one sip, travels down your body, breaks down muscle fibers, and it also increases bodily hormones, which will then regenerate those muscle fibers. And then, in just 5 seconds, I'm saying 5 seconds, you will have your dream body. Now, going back to that story, you're walking up to the love of your life that just rejected you because you didn't have a muscular body. You took that sip of that Boom Boom Pow Juice, and then in just 5 seconds, boom, you have your dream body, and she's crawling back to you, begging to be with you. And guess what? She ain't your problem no more, because now that you have confidence, now that you have your dream body, you can have anyone that you want. The product is starting at $15, but the price is rising because a lot of males have that same dream of yours. This product is available in any food market near you, or you can call now, 909-666-6181. And if you do, you can buy one and get one for free. You heard me. You can get one for free. You can have two, sip them, get your dream body. So call now, 909-666-6181, and get your dream body now.